Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Toyi. I'm a singer, a songwriter, and a worship leader. And today I'll be sharing with you the impact of water on your voice. Last week I shared with you 5 ways or tips whereby you can keep a good vocal health. And today I'll be sharing more about the effect, or you can say the impact of water on your voice. The most important thing you can consume to improve your vocal health is water. And when I mean water, I don't mean cold water, I mean room temperature water. Now, staying hydrated helps the body reduce the thin, watery mucus that flows within your tract, I mean your nasal tract to your vocal tract. Taking a lot of water will help your vocal cords and your vocal tract stay hydrated and more so thin out this mucus. The thinner they are, the better for your voice. Water also brings moisture to your mouth and also to your throat, and then improves your articulation and clarity when you sing. As a singer, drink water throughout the day and keep a bottle of water nearby even when you are on your vocal lessons or rehearsals. And trust me, like I said earlier, room temperature to warm water is best for your voice. One thing I do, I mentioned this last week, one thing I do is to keep myself hydrated with warm water, not hot water, warm water. Room temperature to warm water, depending on where you are and your weather, it should be between the room temperature and warm water. For your vocal cords to work optimally, they need to be moist, pliable, plump, and hydrated. A well-hydrated voice is easy to get started anytime, any day. It requires less pressure from the lungs and less susceptible to injury. What do I mean? Your vocal cord is like a sponge that takes water. The more water it takes, the more water it absorbs, the more pliable, the more plump it is. The more pliable it is, the less vulnerable your vocal cord is to injury. Singing is both believed to be a physical and neurological activity because it involves your brain. Remember that as you take water, your brain is also hydrated, and this makes the brain function optimally and be in correct balance for optimal neurological firing. Keeping your voice hydrated could also help you remember your lines and your lyrics and your talking points. Why? Because your brain is functioning properly. So far, we have looked at the effect of water on our vocal cords and also our brain, which is a major part or a major organ used for singing. Now, how do we keep our voices hydrated? How do we keep our vocal cords hydrated all day? Number 1 is by steaming. While steaming is considered as one of the major ways you can hydrate your vocal cords, it's most times not convenient because the preparation takes time. But it could help as a crash program or a crash solution for you, especially when you need to use your voice as soon as possible. The second way, which is the best and the most convenient way to get your voice hydrated, is by taking water. It has been recommended that singers should take as much glass of water that they can take all through the day, at least 10 to 12 glasses of water. Now you ask me, when is the best time to hydrate? Particularly if you sing professionally. And the answer is all the time. All the time. Whether you're ready to sing or not, whether you have a rehearsal or a performance, it does not matter. Make sure you keep your voice hydrated every time. And the easiest way to prevent dehydration when you need your voice to be at its best is to stay in a constant state of hydration. Make sure you have a water bottle. Keeping yourself hydrated is not just about bringing on water on your performance day or taking water just 1 hour or 2 hours before your performance. I doubt if that will work because it takes about 4 hours for the glass of water you just drank to take effect, to have an impact on your vocal cords. So the trick is keep taking water. Don't wait till you're thirsty before you drink water as a singer. Figure out a routine that works out for you. Make sure you bring enough water with you when you're leaving the house to your rehearsals or your performance center. Get an attractive water bottle and keep it in reach. And also show your voice and your body some love by taking water frequently. I hope with this few points of mine, I've been able to convince you today on the great impact water has on your vocal cords today. Thank you so much for joining and listening to me. Join me again next week as I share with you more tips, more tricks on singing and my singing and music journey with you. If you love this video and you find it impactful, do not forget to like, comment, and share to people that you think could benefit from this. And if you're watching me on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel at TOHYEEN Official. Thank you so much. I look forward to having you again.